If your knowledge includes entering CLI commands or designing networks using first layer 2 technologies, and over that building layer 3 technologies, what you know is creating VLANs, configuring a spanning tree, configuring first hop redundancy protocols, and configuring EIGRP or SPF. This knowledge is considered to be legacy. It is really not sought after anymore. Networks are moving away from these paradigms. So you're better off updating your knowledge and getting into automation. You will need to know how to program. For instance, you will need to know Python, which is ubiquitous now. You will need to know your APIs, RESTConf, NetConf, the Yang module, your NetConf and RESTConf tools such as Postman, and you will need to know JSON, because you will need to express your ideas in JSON. If you want to configure an interface and set in an IP address, you will need to express that in JSON format. And for automating legacy CLI, you will need to know your automation tools such as Ansible, Puppet, and Chef. You will need to know how to design, troubleshoot, and operate Fabric technologies that will use and are using nowadays ISIS, which is the protocol of choosing, the LIS protocol, and the VXLAN protocol. For SD-WAN, if you're going to manage SD-WAN, you will need to know how to use Viptela, Meraki, and you will need to enter into configuring virtual network devices such as virtual switches, virtual firewalls, and the more recent BNF technologies. You will need to know how to do your cloud networking. So for instance, if you're going to use AWS, now your internet gateways, proxy gateways, elastic IP addresses, transit gateways, NAT gateways, public and private VPC design, VPN gateways, and so on. And you will need to manage software-defined networks. You will need to know how to use Cisco DNA Center, Cisco ACI for the data center, or your security centers such as AAA, Radius, TechXPlus, and altogether security managing services such as Cisco ISE.